If you thought khichdi is bland and boring, it's time to change your mind. Spicy, chatpati and bold. This is Achaari Khichdi. In a cooker, I am taking 1 cup of arhar or tuar dal, washed and soaked for 10 minutes. Next, 1 cup of rice, again washed and soaked for 10 minutes. Add in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste, and 5 cups of water. Close the lid and we will let this cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Open the lid only once the pressure settles down. For making the Achari masala, I am dry roasting 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds or saunf, 3 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoon of yellow mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of Fenugreek Seeds or methi dana, 5 to 6 dried red chillies. Let's roast the whole spices on low flame. Once they turn brown and fragrant, take them off the flame and grind. The Achari masala is ready. Next, in a kadhai, I am taking 3 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee heats, add half a teaspoon of hing and then the Achari masala we made. Saute the masala on low flame for 2 minutes. Next, add in the boiled khichdi and warm water as much you need for the desired consistency. Bring it together. Time to make the final tadka. For the tadka, I am taking 2 tablespoons of ghee. In heated ghee, add 1 teaspoon of jeera, 2 dried red chillies. I have used the Boria variety here. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. The tadka is ready. Pour it over the khichdi and get ready to be surprised. If khichdi has been bland and boring for you, try this. You won't be disappointed. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.